What's the deal with the additional price plan on a variable price barcode parser? Let me explain. So with the barcode parser, you now have two options. You have the 4 preset formats, unlimited use, and this is the old price plan of $9.99. It's not being increased, it's not going away. And that should work for all of the merchants, even the ones for whom initially it doesn't work. They can always adjust the scale and basically match one of the 4 formats that we have. Let me demonstrate what I mean by that. So if we go to the app here, so these are the 4 formats that we're talking about, right? So this is what were available on $9.99 plan. If for one reason or another you're not able to adjust the format, it's not coming from the equipment that you control or whatever the situation may be, the buttons that are required to be pressed are broken, you could adjust and have a completely customizable format where you can tell us each cell, so you can scan a barcode, right, and then tell us how to parse it. Instead of using one of the preset formats, you can tell us how to parse it. So this would be useful to make a 5-digit product codes rather than 6-digit product codes, or 7-digit product codes rather than, because these preset formats, the ones that we have, only accommodate for 6-digit product codes, and they're just in the different positions, position 1 through 6, position 1 through 6, and then we skip a digit and then go into price. And then we have a skip a digit, then 1 through 6, then skip a digit, then price. Then you have skip a digit, 1 through 6, and then price, and then skip a digit. So if none of this stuff works, you need to create your own. Like, for example, this one only has 5 price points, right? And it would accommodate for a barcode that only has 5 price codes, like this, for example. And to use this option in more tools, you will be required to have this price plan with the custom parsing, right? So for an additional $3 a month, we will have the functionality available to you, and we will provide the necessary support to help you customize the parsing so that you don't have to deal with changing the format of the barcode that you have. And again, like I said, this option is a convenience options. Not almost, all of the scale equipment can be formatted to match at least one of these formats, but in most cases it'll do all 4 of these. And so this is an option for the convenience of not having to adjust the equipment on that end and just letting this app know exactly how to parse each digit on a barcode. Thank you.